Hello and welcome everyone to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to install Amanda and the Adventurer. It's really simple, quick tutorial. So here in Steam, first we have to search for Amanda and the Adventurer, and we have to put demo because this is the free version. If we want the full game, we have to pay, but we can download this demo and we can play for free. So we come down here, and where it says download, we just click here on download, and then automatically we accept. And now we have to wait for the download and the installation to become. Once it's downloaded and installed, we can now play. So as you can see here, now it's already downloaded and installed. So we click here and we can play. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe.